Hi, good afternoon. Quick question. I have my stepmom, she passed away and she has a mobile home and land as her only asset, and the family wants to sell it, but there's no will. So just
Hmm.
reading, going through the probate process and the notes that I've taken, um there will have to be a petition filed with the county court, correct?
What state are you in?
Ohio, but
Thought
this is
so.
in. I don't think I have reciprocity. They're in it, the trailer home is in Pike County, so I may have to get a referral. But just trying to guide them
Where
along. I'm not sure if a probate needs to be opened.
where is Pike County?
It's like 2 hours outside of Columbus.
Okay, what state?
Oh, Ohio. Sorry,
Oh, it's
Columbus,
Ohio.
Ohio.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's
Uh-huh.
Ohio. Any ballpark idea of value?
Looking at the auditor, 26,000.
Okay. Probably you're gonna skip the probate process. So in Ohio, um, the smallest state exemption appears from Google appears to be $35,000. So what that means, Frankie, you've been around, you know what that means. But for
Yes.
anyone
Okay.
else that doesn't know what that means is if the total gross value of your assets, cars, bank accounts, real estate, stocks, anything that is that would otherwise have to go through probate. Not all assets go through probate, but if it's something that would otherwise have to go through probate and the total value in Ohio is less than 35,000, what you need to do is you need to file a petition with the county to skip probate, to essentially pass the asset straight through to the heirs without the probate process. So it's always called something different. Let me look and see what Ohio might be. How do you ask
It
for
didn't
a
dawn on me to actually do that part that you just did. So essentially, I can contact that county court and see the process of how to go
Yep.
around or file the petition.
This is probably going to be the same name in the majority of states, but small estate affidavit, and you can go to the probate court or the clerk of the court and ask for a small estate affidavit. Now you're probably going to need to submit some sort of proof that the assets are less than 35,000. But it shouldn't be too complex. So you'll submit that proof, or someone will submit that proof, and then um, with no will, you might have to, yeah, with no will, it's just going to follow laws of intestacy. So the state's going to say who gets what portion of the estate. So look up laws of intestacy in Ohio, or
Okay.
intestacy succession laws.
There's still an outstanding mortgage on the property.
Hmm.
So they want to sell it. So we once we get past this part, then it could be the trailer could be listed for sale to satisfy the outstanding mortgage.
Hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So, um, I'm putting in chat for everyone, and this is really good. I'm putting it in for everyone, just what I Googled. If you guys are in a state that's not, well, not Ohio, just change the name in my Google search to your state. I think everyone needs to understand what the succession laws and rights are of different heirs to an estate, how the state views that. And that's only if there's no will. If there is a will, the will dictates who gets what. And you're right, Frankie. So it's going to pay the debt off first, and then the rest. Now, the small estate exemption limit is the gross value. So if the mortgage is 20 and the trailer and the land is worth 30, It's not a $10,000 asset. It's still a 30,000 asset. Yep.
Got
Okay.
it. Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Appreciate the question.